Anna Tomni and Tin Kong, I should get time and speak out my mind all to you because you do not always give me time to say what I want to tell you. You always seems to be in a hurry. Makun, you're not even hurrying going anywhere. And I'm very disappointed in you, Anasega, you the West Nilers, what you are trying to do to NUP in northern Uganda, una jo ari or munne NUP in northern Uganda. I'll be watching if no one has ever told you about this one, where I watch you came here, please go ahead. Chi kwara ye, no tit logati. A chill wine, watch you logada, pegel, me I be watching logati, and no. Ngomati, and then do many times how you are conducting yourself towards me. And pay a bill at matiri, ma around you are going to do all this nonsense of yours and probably knowing what you are thinking or what your intention is. I've already known all your intention with a Sega. Your intention is you are seeing me. I am a very good fighter for Noob. And for that matter, you people should throw me out. You people should chase me away. You people should bring in Lobakene Amos to have the ticket for Noob, which is okay with me. I am not going to fight for the ticket for Noob because that party called National Unity Platform, I am not one of the founders, and it does not belong to me, or does it belong to my husband, or does it belong to my father? I joined that political party. The idea was good. But kind of people like you and Asega are here to destroy the idea of Noob. I have no problem. And if NUP are encouraging you people to destroy the party like that, it is well with me especially. I am speaking on my behalf. I'm not talking on anybody's behalf. It is well with me. You are all vice president of Northern Uganda. What have you done for the last 4 years? Maybe vice president, before you were reappointed back. What have you done to Northern Uganda apart from frustration, enmities, with all those years? Strike Machine has been saying some time back, you are a snake. I was not believing. I was stopping him. Those of Mungu, do you see face to face? Those of Lanyolenge, I did not know what kind of human being you are. They were even telling me you are saying playing, you are joking with Lena. Lena will disappoint you up to the extent you will know what Lena is. Every time you pretend you are more holy than Pope. When you are more Satan than, you are more devil than Satan. Stop pretending that you are holy. You are not holy at all. You're a rumor monger. Chad, do you take a look? Again, come now. What did you tell me about Brenna Lake the other day? When Brenna went for the swearing in, now you are pretending you spoke very bad about Brenda. In my presence, watch. What did you tell me about Brenda? I'm not talking because you can why you want to work with me. That position of Brenda, they should remove it from Brenda because no more you want to work with me. I know you have no authority, but you have the authority, but you are useless in that office. You are useless in that office, and I don't keep quiet. I call spade a spade. Northern Uganda, Northern Uganda, never won Kasega. West Nile people, Noob, and Northern Uganda. I just beat those of Bobby Wine. Remember the other day, you are talking against Bobby Wine. You are talking against Secretary General. You are talking against everybody. Every time you're saying, this Baganda, this Baganda, this Baganda, why are you there? I am not a party dweller. Mark that one very, very well and very clear. I'm not a party dweller like you. You are getting salary from the party, but you're not doing anything for the party. Only now, we are doing everything for the party. You are hating us. You are bringing wrong people against us. You are telling me Bakene Amos is singing when you are supporting him. Aren't you and Asera supporting Lubankene? What right do you think you West Nile's have to come and impose leadership in a Churi sub-region? What right? Especially in Agago. You have no right whatsoever to come and impose leadership here. For that matter, I am assuring you authoritatively, I am going to block you people. You will not set foot in Agago. I rather use even the security to block you not to come here. Because you know you are very clever. you are more bright than any other person. In I cannot contest as an independent candidate. You think I cannot? An independent candidate. What does Aliba can have? Does it mean enough money come what we will one t-shirt? The other day I printed 500 t-shirts for the president. What have you done, Macharolina Zedriga, for the party? I painted a gag rate. What have you done, Machar Vice President in Northern Uganda? I bought 500 reflector jackets, 2,000 t-shirts. What have you done for the party? And you're there trying to fight me. We can't know you because you're seeing me. Can't know you. I am going to be rewarded. I do not mind any position in that part of yours. I don't mind. I can be an ordinary person like I have been. And I'm not going to complain. You know, no, I don't know. It is me that I'm telling me, I'm telling you, we couldn't. I'm getting more can eating you. Look, go, but I do near cha. He watched any. Oh, when Secretary General called me and told me, Mama, you sent for me. I called Secretary General. I told you, I've spoken with the Secretary General. Secretary General told me everything. But before that one, you had said you had called me and told me that you are waiting to be sworn in and you are coming to be based in Northern Uganda. You are starting with Agago district. After starting with Agago district, you are going to do the what? After starting with Agago district, you are going to do the what? You are going to cancel all the elections after you being sworn in. Did you do that one? Did you do that one? Do you have the power to do that one? Vice President without power. Do you even have any power? And every time, no, all this Baganda, all this Baganda. There was a day I went to your office there. When I went to your office, I found the president was going a Thanksgiving for Kivumi Mwanga. Do you remember what you told me about the president and Secretary General? Every time, this Baganda, this Baganda, this Baganda. Remember, people from outside the country called me. I was in your office with you. What did you tell me about those people? Did they put up the phone? You are always talking very negative about the party. And these young boys don't know what kind of a snake you are. I have not told them. Did I tell them anything? Did I tell anybody anything? You always talk very bad about these people. Every day. Very bad about those people. I manager, when you told me now, my sister, your first way, Secretary General is calling me. When I told you, Secretary General called me and told me I give him the petition. What did I tell you? I called you to tell you what the Secretary General said. What did you tell me? You told me, you first way, the Secretary General is calling me. I dropped the phone. The moment I dropped the phone, again the Secretary General called me. I thought we are going on conference. Kumbe, Secretary General was asking me for that petition. I had to ask the Secretary General, did you talk to Mama Lina? He said, no. I spoke with her the last 3-4 days ago. I've not just spoken with her. No, it is like you why do you see me? Because I was saying, no, pay me because you want I said to put your name among the list of the people who are going for mobilization. Am I a party dweller? My husband is a technocrat. Let me assure you today, if people do not want to assure you, my husband is a technocrat. I don't use the party money like you. Every day, they give you cost 3 or 4 million. Okay? Free money. What have you done? You even likely they're giving you that money for nothing. When you've killed NUP in Northern Uganda. Did you kill NUP in Northern Uganda? You and a Sega. You've killed NUP completely from Northern Uganda. Every time you're doing bad things only. Every time. What did you tell me that? Oh, my sister, when I called you about coming to Agaga, what did you tell me? The president has stopped all of us not to go for not to involve ourselves in mobilization. Karamanda winyi cherka gumbara say na say okay remang the team mobilization why no chente. Chair team mobilization chair na pera. Chair na pera member me team ki campaign. Lina wa which is the trigger in no boka down pati which look at it. In completely in Northern Uganda. I don't even know why these people are appointed. You need to baleko when Napolo went there. Were you not the one who called me telling me, no, Napolo now has come here. Napolo rose now. My sister, are you aware? They want Napolo now to be a president. They want to appoint Napolo to be the president. Vice president, Northern Uganda. Are you aware? I said I'm not aware. Did I caution you the next time should Nepal not be appointed? Use this position very well. Because unless you've lost what has been given to you, you will not know the importance of what has been given to you. Ta advise you and a little bit about 1 month in the chat community active. You may work more. It will get up in northern Uganda. Kira vice president kama kana kitim cha do you know a complaint come president, complaint come secretary general. These people just don't know. I will get time one day I go and expose you to them. And free team and in we right to Ali. Don't you know I know you are trying to fight me? What kind of leader are you who is even encouraging me? No, I cannot have I cannot get maybe the ticket. I am an adult. I can make my own decision. What kind of leader who encourages somebody who is capable to leave the party and go and contest independent? What kind of a leader is that? Somebody whom you see has got the capacity, and now you want to give the ticket to somebody who cannot even afford 1,000 shillings? Going now the other day to go to express interest using the vehicle of Honorable Mahmoud, who is his opponent, and coming back with him because he doesn't have any coin. And Honorable Mahmoud wants to use him against me, so that when they have not given me the ticket, it's very easy for him now to give Mahmoud his vote. Do you know the deal that with Mahmoud of 10 million shillings? Are you aware? Or you don't even know anything? You only have to party money only. You don't care about doing anything. As long as you get here, that's 3 million. It's 3 million shilling if you pay money to me. My perfume alone is 2.5 million shilling. Creed the Ventus. You are almost salary 1 month. So people are yellow. We are do you look me. You failed us in northern Uganda. You come in a gago, you will get me right now. I am in a gago in full two honey. I'm going to give the womb this copy and then like this copy and this girl, I pay you Flavia. I'm going to give her the copy of this message. And Pamir Ming, I'm tired of your nonsense.